I am Onyemechi Wisdom, the project director of Pillar AI, which is a trading engine that automates um, cryptocurrency trading. I built it with my Python development background, with also machine learning, engineering, and AI automation. So I build intelligent Python application with focus on machine learning, and I use TensorFlow to do the training, and Keras is the model. Then later I convert it to Onyx, which the trading engine utilizes. Then long short time memory, and that is an XG boost. So Python automation. Every bit of this project is automated and is deployed. It also uses REST API integration. A lot of sources of information are being integrated into the trading engine or the trading robot. Then SQL database development. And I deployed it on VPS and data processing. So, like, the purpose of this presentation is to be hired. I can translate this knowledge to any related business idea that needs to be automated. So, my contact is in the description of this YouTube video. So, I'll be sharing with you the architectural. I'll be sharing with you the stacks, like the Python is number one programming language. TensorFlow used in the training and retraining of the coins. It is being turned to Keras, the model, then eventually to Onyx, which the bot utilizes. Then XGBoost, Pandas, NumPy, SQL, GIT, Google Cloud, and Linux. So these are the stacks used for this particular project. Now, the architecture and decision flow. The Pillar AI trading engine combines 5 independent intelligent layers with 5 also protective guardian gates before any trade reaches the exchange. This is the MEMAD flow chart, the subgraph data source. Data source is from Binance futures, and it was binded to the trading engine via API. So API integration is involved. Then also Codex. Codex graph is what I use to get the intelligent reports of buyers or sellers on the blockchain. Then Ethereum scan, we use it to gauge the health of the network. Moralis, also CoinGecko and Mempools, then economic calendar, then Telegram bot API. So the purpose of the Telegram is to, send the information to the client when their project is being executed. So this is the intelligence layer. We have also the risk manager, the scaling manager. We have the exchange synchronization. Now, I'll be giving to you how a trade is born. Now, this is how a trade is born step by step. The first step is data ingestion. Where is data gotten from? Like I said earlier, it is from Binance Futures. Binance API, it, it gets the price candles and other books. Now, the codex is also another place where data is being ingested. This time around, we are getting insight on BTC, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, Avast, Links. This gives you 1 hour blockchain intelligence, what is going, whether there are buyers are there or sellers are there. Then we have the Ethereum scan. The Ethereum scan gives exchange reserve and weight transaction. Now, this gives you information whether you are going to go bullish, whether you are going to be neutral, or when you are going to go bearish. Now, the CoinGecko Moon Pools, market capitalization, gas fees is so important. The gas fee tells us so much about Ethereum and also the fear and greed. Then the economic calendar gives us information. You might have a wonderful setup, but just one news from CPI, Consumer Price Index from FOMC, you discover that the every setup goes off. So that's why you have this calendar here, so that when there is an announcement coming in the next 2 hours, the trading engine stops trading and also manages open trades via the stop loss. Now look at the intelligence layer. All the raw data is processed by dedicated models. All these models are dedicated and they are now integrated into the bot.py file, which has the logic behind the bot, logic in decision making. Now we have the free on-chain model, and this free on-chain model is a network. It gauges the network health, gas fees, hash rates, more especially for BTC and the Ethereum. Now the market sentiment, it also gives us an idea. Then we have the Moralis tracker, exchange reserve and wealth flow. That's so important. When there is more, you know, when there is more coins in the exchanges, it means that they're about to be sold. And when there are less coins in the exchanges, it means that people have bought, and they are, so that gives us an idea. So we have the codex catch, unified catch of on-chain pressure for priority coins shared across the board. This particular project is a multi-tenant administration where it's not just only one bot. People can subscribe. Like, for example, you can also subscribe into this particular bot. Like, the description of subscription is in the YouTube of this video, so that you can contact me and this bot trading engine will begin to trade for you automatically, just for $30 every month. It's quite cheap. Then all the raw data, we are now coming into the intelligence layer. Now we've done with the intelligence layer. Then we are now looking at the Tempo Council. The Tempo Council is where how this intelligence is being formed and the voting. We have the Kalman filter. The Kalman filter donates or contributes to 25%. And you know what the Kalman filter does? Noise reduction. It reduces noise. It reduces noise in terms of prediction. Then the Fourier transform detects cycle dictation. Then we have the LMST, which is actually gives 3 candles ahead forward of the direction of the market. We have also the sentiment engine. And finally, we have the blockchain. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these intelligence gives the market, gives us comprehensively blockchain intelligence. So the council produces a blockchain confidence between 0 to 1% and a direction. That is important. It produces a confidence and also what? A direction. Can be bullish, bearish, or neutral. Now, the technical analysis. This is fundamental. Every trade uses this technical analysis. Independent, a separate pipeline, LSTM, XGBoost plus classical indicator generates technical analysis. Now, this LSTM and XGBoost nudges the technical analysis. This particular LSTM plus XGBoost is quite different from this one. This one contributes in the blockchain, why this one nudges, and is also this one produces the dynamic result in take profit or stop losses. So we, after this particular one, after the nudge, we now come to this blended confidence. This is the confidence between the technical analysis and the blockchain intelligence. This technical analysis gives 60%, while the blockchain itself gives 40. Now, this intelligence, all of this intelligence is what comes here to give 40, while this also gives 20, I mean 60. So eventually, what you will begin to get down, what you will now begin to get is comprehensive direction, confidence, and the gates now is like filter that filters each coin. These things happen in milliseconds. It's far beyond human capacity to think and make decisions. If you are still in manual trading, you better begin to consider robotics trading. Now, look at the 5 guardian gates. These are the 5 guardian gates. Number one, we have the momentum gate. The momentum gate blocks if price momentum misalign with BC confidence and direction. So momentum, the market's momentum must line up. Then we have also another gate, direction gate agreement block is also in the block. I mean, is in the pi file section. What does it do? It ensures that the technical analysis and the blockchain will not go different ways. They must agree before a trade is executed. We also have the train gate. The train gate ensures that um, there is trend, because I just noticed that in the market, when there is no trade, when there is choppy market, what happens is that eventually it begins to call down, um, chops your capital. But this prevents your capital being, reduced as a result of choppy markets. Then finally, we have the risk and position management, dynamic stop loss. This is coming from the machine learning AG boost and LSTM. We have also the trailing stop activate at 2%. We have also scale in the deep, scaling manager. It adds to a losing position at predefined dips if codex agrees. Then we have the exchange synchronization. It reconciles local position with Binance every 60 seconds, catching manual trades or both misfires. Then the last one is the execution and alert. Like I said, these are things that is being monitored by the trading engine before execution is placed. So the market order is placed on Binance futures with price confirmation from BitGet. Before a trade is executed, there must be confirmation that the price is almost the same thing with another exchange, BitGet. Then trade alert is sent to a private Telegram channel, including all the gate status and on-chain insight. This architecture was designed, built, life tested by ONIF by me. The same model design can be adapted to spot trading, multi-exchange setup, or custom alpha strategies. This information, you can find it in my Gist Hub. You can also find it in my linked profile. And you can also find my profile in Upwork. I am open to work, so that you can get me, you know, call me up today. Also, you can still join my exchange, engage in the trading of this particular trading engine. So, what are you waiting for? The description to my gist work, my email, and all how you can contact me is in the description of this YouTube video. See you in the next video, where I begin to talk about the details of the Python, the modules, and the unification that produces these wonderful, you know, signals that is also automatically executed at a particular confidence, direction, and all the gates aligned. Thank you.